Why has it suddenly got so hot? Hi Tallyhos, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I thought that I would do an everyday makeup routine with you guys because I've never done one of these, I don't think. Hi, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you? Oh shit. So I'm in Malta, if you don't know. A vlog went up before, so check that out. But yeah, I'm just gonna basically run you through what I'm using and stuff like that. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and let's get into it. Going in the most chill outfit today, Tallyhos. I'm wearing cycle shorts and this black bodysuit. You can kind of see my bra, which you know I hate, but today is all about comfortability. So that is what I'm doing. So I've already moisturized, and then I think I'm gonna put some of this. Everything is like covered in makeup, guys, so sorry. This is the Superdrug Prep and Set Mist, and I actually really like this one. So this is 100% not my colour, but I love like the concept of it. I just need to get the right colour. It's a Max Factor like powder foundation, and I love it. Like in the heat, you don't want anything liquidy, in my opinion. Like it's literally just gonna come off your face. And it comes with like a little sponge, and I've been using the sponge. Like I've been oh my god, I've nearly finished it. Oh my god, I only just got this. Been using the sponge like on a night out or in the evenings to like pat away the sweat. Like I said, it's not my colour, so bear with. But okay, so now I'm going to take some concealer. This is the Revolution concealer, and I'm just gonna literally, I've changed my concealer routine. Instead of doing like a triangle, I literally just do a dot there and then a dot there. And then I'm just gonna blend it in with my finger and a little bit on my lid. This concealer dries so quick as well. So tonight we're going to like a hotel restaurant and bar. And then I got sent this, and this is the Revolution Glow Powder, and I've actually really been enjoying it. I've been putting the like blur stick on my body and then setting it with this powder. I don't know if that's what you're meant to do, but I've really been enjoying it. My beauty blender's not in my bag, but normally I would take my beauty blender. I'm gonna take this sponge and I'm just gonna set my under eyes like that so it doesn't crease. Okay, so then what I've been doing is taking like a small brush and taking my, I've brought this for a reason, and the reason is to leave it here, but this is the Urban Decay Shapeshifter Medium Palette, and I absolutely bloody love it. So I'm taking those two bronzer shades just to warm up my cheeks, my forehead, and like under my jawline. And what I've been doing is taking that like ashier one and going down my nose. Low-key want a nose job.
No.
Why? But it's quite big.
Are you joking?
What do you mean?
It's fucking tiny.
What? And also I'm bronzing up my lids because that means I don't have to do eyeshadow, which is great. Do you not think it's really wide and piggy? That's annoying. Then I'm taking my Nars Orgasm blusher. It's actually called that. Can't see out that mirror, it's too day. And then with my blusher, do that on my nose as well. Gives like a blushed look like that. I'm full of powder now. I look dirty now.
No, you wipe it down, it'll be fine.
Okay. Okay, and then what I've been doing is taking highlighter. Use any highlighter. This is the cheapest one that you can get from Boots, probably. It's by like 17. And I've been taking the top two ones and doing tops of my cheeks, under my eyebrow, down the bridge of my nose, on the upper lip. That's it. What? You did it?
No.
Oh.
I don't have any highlighter.
You can use it if you want. Fine. Let's see fuck yourself.
Do I need some?
No. You don't need anything really in life, do you? Apart from love. Okay, and then I'm getting some of that like darker bronzer shade and going under my eyelids. My eye. What's that bottom bit called?
Yeah, under eye.
Under my eye. If I wasn't slow at like life, then this would really not take long. So, you're welcome though. Okay, where's my eyebrow thing here? I've been using this brush to brush out my brows. I got the lamination done, which I kind of love, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm not gonna get it done all the time because it's quite expensive. It was £55. She said it lasts 12 weeks though, so. And I've been using this brush for my brows and also my eyelashes to brush out my lashes. 2 in 1. Then I'm just gonna colour in my brows a little bit. This is the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I'll do, won't it?
Yeah, that looks good.
Thank you. Okay. So that's done, isn't it? At this point you can add eyeshadow if you want. Super quick and easy. I might add just a little bit because, you know, you're on holiday, do you know what I mean? Like, why not? So, although I can't find my eyeshadow brush. Oh, there it is. This bag's getting a bit dirty. But I just brought this small one. This is by, I don't even know, Style London. Today I used this shade, but right now, I can't actually be bothered. Shall I?
It looks nice natural.
Yeah, can't be bothered, guys. So I'm just going to add a bit more bronzer of the like deep bronzer shade. And I'm going to put that in the crease. And I always join it to my nose contour. Because, you know, you want it to all look seamless and all that shit. Guys, I've been doing so many faux freckles. I'm going to do it for you just to show you because haven't I been doing that a lot, so it'd kind of be illegal if I didn't show you. Also, this I haven't really been using here, but it's a new primer that I absolutely love. It's the LMS Pro Collagen Insta Smooth Primer, and it smells luxury. I like it. Me likey. So this Freckle Pen is by Misguided. They sent it to me in spring, I think. But yeah, so do some dots randomly, and then I do it across the nose as well. That was a bit of a big one. Just do it wherever it feels like, you know, you'd have freckles, basically. Like that, yeah? This one is the original Freckle pen. And then we'll do lips. And then I'll show you what I've been doing after the freckles have like dried. I'm sure they're dry already, but I'd rather just wait and make sure. So this is the Peaches and Cream lip liner in Praline. I don't know, do you know what I mean? They've got weird names. So I'll pack that with me. I always take my lip products with me for after like I eat and stuff. And then I'm using the lip and cheek pencil. Oh cool, I could use it on my cheeks. In Mystic. I don't know who it's by though. I'll try and leave it linked down below. I think I got it from a glossy box or something. Or maybe like a calendar. Advent calendar's coming out soon, guys. I'm excited. Last year, I had the PLT one and the glossy box one, and I loved them both. It was so much fun. Okay, so then we're going to put some lip gloss on, but we're going to go back to the freckles. And just whatever is on here, we're going to pat over gently the freckles just to make them look a little bit blended. I mean, it probably doesn't do much, but it makes me feel like I've blended it. Okay, well, that's that. And then literally I'm going to take the Too Faced lip injection lip plumper to go on top. It's obviously going to plump your lips, but also make your lips glossy, which I like because I don't like a matte look. I don't like how it feels. I don't like how it looks on me anyway. Is take this like concealer brush and basically take either some powder or some foundation, whatever, and just clean up around my lips. I didn't bring mascara, but if I had a bit, I'd put a little bit on my bottom lashes and I'd call it a day. I don't know why my eyelashes don't look dark anymore. Maybe as they're falling out, it's getting like less and less. But yeah, tally hoes, that is my finished holiday everyday makeup look. I hope that you enjoyed this. Oh, and last step. Also, I haven't been wearing perfume this holiday because apparently the sweetness of the fragrance attracts the mosquitoes and they love me already, so I don't need no attention. What's that called? I need no
extra attention.
Yeah, I don't need any help. So I'm not wearing any perfume this holiday. Although I am wearing deodorant and I'm still getting bitten, but I reckon I'd be getting bitten more because they really love me. I might put some sunglasses on my head to just look cool. Does that look cool?
Yeah, it does.
Like a cool like accessory. I'm gonna oil my hair first using this just to defrizz it and then put it back in the clip. But yeah, please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Go and watch my vlog if you haven't done already. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all of your support on my Malta content. This is the last video of the Malta trip, so yeah, back to autumn and winter content for you unless I book another holiday. But I love you guys so much. Bye.